Hello, good evening, good afternoon, good morning. But dito sa France ngayon, it's late, 10 o'clock, 10 or 10:30 I think. So, kakadating ko lang from work. And ngayon, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung aking cleansing ginagamit ko sa face ko. So, I use two cleanser. We have deep cleanser, which is oil-based. And we have also foam cleanser, which is water-based. So, mas maganda, dual or double yung cleansing na gagamitin natin para mas malinis siya. Lalong-lalo na galing tayo sa work, galing tayo sa whole day, nasa labas tayo. So, iba't ibang tao, pollution, dirt, sa tren, sa work, alikabok. So, at least, very safe. Dalawang cleanser ang gagamitin natin. So, first, we have the oil base, which is deep cleanser.